So I'm actually very simple. This probably actually looks like a lot more than it ever is. This year I went to a no-huddle scheme. We basically did it for efficiency reasons, and our terminology completely changed when we did this. A lot of times before, we had a lot of numeric systems that went along with this. We would number backs in the backfield. Actually, let's just pull something up here. And this is the way most people do it, and the system I'm using is actually becoming more popular. But we used to just number all these backs, guys that potentially end up with the ball, and then we'd number holes. Like this would be the 1 hole, this would be the 3 hole, 7 or 5 hole, 7 hole. Odds would be on the left, evens on the right. This is pretty common. And our plays would be like 36 blasts. So the 3 back, whoever he is here, we'll say 46 blasts. So we'd take the 4 back, and we'd end up wanting to go to the 6 hole. All right, and then blast would kind of be the blocking scheme. Well, what we've done is to get all these words and numbers out of it so we can play a little faster and get a little bit more efficiency. We've changed everything to 1 word. All right, so if we look at this play right now, this is Arizona, Alabama, U High versus 4-4. All right, our formation is Arizona. Everything's done left and right with the way we do things. So we make a pro football team a formation. So it's Arizona and Cardinals. They're the exact same formations. Arizona would be to the left, Cardinals would be to the right, just like you would always say it. And it took our kids a minute to kind of catch on to that concept, but once they got that concept, left and right is no problem for us anymore. So, and that's how everything's based. So our formation is Arizona, and we actually verbally echo that across the field. They get done with the play, and we just scream out, here's formation, and then they get lined up. Then we actually hand signal the plays in. So the play is actually Alabama. And with 1 word, every kid knows what they're doing off this play. We didn't have to number everything. We found out that numbering everything was just archaic, really. I mean, at the end of the day, by the season went on, they weren't thinking, I'm the 3 back, I go to the 4 hole. They knew what 34 blast was. You know what I mean? So the numbering didn't really matter to them. But